So I just found this cool new website that pays you over $96 for every single click. It's absolutely free, so you don't have to worry about anything. And using the new strategy that I'm going to share with you in this video, you can finally earn real money online just like this, clicking links online. This is a brand new website that I have not talked about on my channel before, and you will not find this information anywhere else on YouTube. It's paying people from all over the world, so no matter what country you live in, this website is going to work for you. This right here are some recent payments from the website. As you can see right here, $1,139 earned on the first payment here. Another payment down here, over $1,700. Total earnings here, over $2,900. As you can see here, this is real and this is totally paying. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to earn money just like this for clicking free links. You can do this with only your smartphone from the comfort of your home, and the best part is that they pay you straight into your PayPal account. So as soon as you've earned at least $25 here, you can request a payout and get your money sent to you as fast as possible. With this method, you don't need to create your own website. You don't have to pay anything to use the website, and definitely you do not have to be a tech expert. All you need to get started here is just your smartphone and an internet connection. There's already lots of people just like you making a killing with this website, and as you can see here, the website pays really well. Imagine what you could do with this kind of money. Maybe you could go out and buy a new iPhone, or go shopping, or possibly even invest it all into the stock market. You can do whatever you want with the money you earn from this website, and because I don't want you guys to miss out on all of this free money, all I ask is that you take a minute and watch this short video so that you can find out exactly how this method works, so you can start earning just like this. I'm going to take you step by step, so please pay close attention here so that you can get the most out of this video. And so without wasting any more time, let us jump straight into the video. But before that, I want you guys to hit the like button super duper hard. It tells me they want me to make another video like this on my channel. And just so you won't miss it, hit that subscribe button right down below. Also, if along the way in this video you missed something and you want to come back to the video, feel free to hit that download button right below. It's absolutely free. So to kick things off, the first thing you need to do is to go onto this website here called pepperjam.com. As you can see, the payment proof I showed you guys before was from pepperjam.com, so there's no doubts at all that this website does pay. And for this method, we're going to use the CPA money making method, which is a system that pays you for clicks as well as leads or sales. But a quick warning here is that you cannot click your own links. You absolutely have to avoid clicking your own links because it will not work and you won't make any money doing that. So just keep watching so I can show you how to do this method the right way. So here we are on pepperjam.com. The first thing you want to do is to scroll down to the page right here. On the section, you're going to find three buttons. One says I'm a brand or an advertiser, I'm a publisher or an influencer, and I'm an agency or an OPM. What we're going with is this one here in the middle. So you just want to click that and it's going to take you over to this page right here where it tells you a little bit more information about what exactly you will be doing as a publisher on this website. Down here you can even see how many brands these guys are working with. They've partnered with so many different big brands all around the world, so that tells you something about how long these guys have been around, and that of course you can trust them to pay you out as soon as you start earning here. And so to move on to the next step, you have to sign up on the website, and to do that, just scroll back to the top here and click become a partner. It's going to take you here where it's going to ask you this question that says, are you an individual who will be promoting brands on your personal social media or personal blog? To this, we're actually going to select no because we don't have a website. We're not going to use a website for this method. We're only going to be using social media, and so you want to select no and proceed to the next page. And here you get to fill out your information, your name, your password, your email address, your company name. Now remember that you don't have a company, so you can just type in your name there, and don't worry, you do not need a website for this, so what you're gonna put here is actually your social media links. You can just copy your links from maybe Instagram or Facebook or Twitter or wherever and paste that link in here and you will be good to go. And down here you can select your country. As you can see, they're accepting every single country out there. All you need to actually cash out here is your PayPal account, which you can actually type in down here. And over on this section you can select some categories that you'll be promoting inside of this website. I will say you can actually choose anything here because it's not like they're going to limit you to just what you choose, so this stuff is not really that important. And as soon as you're done filling out all this other stuff, just scroll down to the bottom here and click submit, and they will review your profile and they will reach out to you to tell you if you got accepted into the program or not. And from here you can then proceed to actually sign into your dashboard and get on to step number 3. So as soon as you log in, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. In the middle here, you're going to find your analytics and how much you're making, how many clicks you're getting, and all that good stuff. And over on the left here, you're going to find all the tools you're going to need to actually start promoting links and making money inside this website. So to actually get started, click this button over here that says find new advertisers, and it's going to give you a bunch of different advertisers that are ready to actually pay you to promote their links. And one thing you must do is to click here that says no relationship, so that it can give you as many options as possible, because as a newbie you do not have any relationship with any advertiser in this website. And so for instance, if you want to promote this one up here that says about airport parking, you can just come up here. This up here is the website URL. This is how much they're actually going to pay you for every single click. So they're going to pay you, in this case, 50% of whatever they make on your click. So it pays really well, and of course some pay more than others. As you can see, some other ones down here is paying about 20%, 6%, 5%. So I would want to go for the highest paying offers. That way you're making the most amount of money, even if you're not getting that many clicks. And so to actually apply to start promoting a particular offer, just go to the right over here and click apply, so that you can get your unique link to go out and start promoting. You can promote as many offers as you want. The limit is endless. The key here is how many places you can put your links in, so that you can get as many eyeballs as possible looking at your links and clicking on them, so that you can actually get paid. And over here is where you're actually going to find the links you can actually go out and copy and paste wherever you want on the internet. So as I click here, it's going to bring out a little menu here. Do not click banners, because this is only for people who have a website. As you can see here, it's going to give you some banners which you can actually take and put on your website. But because you're not working with website, what you want to do is to actually click this button up here that says generic, and as you click that, it's going to give you these links up here, which you can then copy and paste wherever you want on social media. And anyone who clicks on this and makes some kind of purchase or anything, you will get paid for that click. And it gives you so many different links that lead to different landing pages, so you can check each of these and see which one is going to work the best, depending on where exactly you're going to be sharing these links to. You can play around with all this stuff and find the format that fits you the best. You can even try the text option that actually adds some text with a link and actually gives you some kind of code to paste on wherever you want. They even have a link generator tool here that you can actually use on any website that is affiliated with pepperjam.com. For instance, you can go onto this website over here, which is called the Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf, and then click on the Pepperjam link generator, and it's actually going to generate a special link for you to use for that other website, so that anyone who clicks on your link, they're going to be redirected to the Coffee Bean website, and you will make a commission whenever that person makes some kind of purchase. They have so many different tools that will definitely be useful to you in here, so you can go ahead and explore and actually find the one that works for you. And then the final step is actually promoting your links and getting people to click, so that you can actually make money. And an easy way to do this is to go on Facebook groups or go on Instagram and find people who you can actually send your links to. In this case, Facebook will be more professional because you don't want to spam anyone with your links. So for instance, if you're going out to promote this Coffee Bean website, you can go on Facebook and find people who are really passionate about coffee, make some kind of post on there, maybe use the text link generator that actually adds some text on it, find an image to actually go with your post, make a post on there, and if it looks interesting enough, people will click on your links and actually complete a purchase on the website and make you money every single time that they do that. You can go out and join as many groups as you want, maybe even try other platforms like Reddit or Quora.com. I've talked about this in previous videos. There are many different ways for you to share and promote your links, because the more places you put your links in, the faster you will make a commission and the more money you get to make. So that's pretty much how this whole thing works. It's pretty easy, but it takes some time for you to get your foot in the door with this method. You can make a lot of money here, but you have to be very, very consistent with this and follow all this step by step so that you can actually see results at the end of the day. But if you have any questions at all about anything that we just talked about, drop your questions in the comment section below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. If you like this video, hit that like button super duper hard. It's gonna tell me they want me to make another video just like this on my channel, and just so you won't miss it, hit that subscribe button right down below.